Hello and welcome to the semifinals of Paper Aces, a knockout distance competition featuring 16 incredible paper airplanes. In today's matchup, we have Durandal versus Alkonost. Now, Durandal had a very tough matchup against Silk Shark in the last round, while Alkonost seems to blast past literally every paper airplane it comes up against. Let's see if Alkonost can continue its dominance today to make it to the finals and face off against Plasma X. 3, 2, 1, go! And just like that, Alkonost claimed another dominant victory, this time with a score of 5-0. Durandal flew well, but Alkonost is clearly in a different class, boasting some truly incredible flights. With this result, Durandal is eliminated from the tournament, and Alkonost advances to the finals, where it will face off against Plasma X in a matchup that many fans have been predicting and looking forward to since the beginning of this tournament. If you would like to learn how to fold Durandal or Alkonost, just click on those videos on the left side of your screen, and if you want to see the final matchup of this tournament, click on that video on the right. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the finals.